In this video, I will show you how you can find your archived mail on Gmail. Now, first, what you need to do is you need to log in to your Gmail. I'm on my account right now. Then, first, let's just archive this as an example. I'll right click on it, archive. Now it's no longer in my inbox. As you can see, it got removed. Now, the way you can find this is you need to press on more in the left corner. And from in here, all of these should open up. You should find the one that says all mail. Click on it and you will now see this has been moved to in here. You can see all of these says inbox. That means they're in the inbox, but this one does not because we just removed it from the inbox. If you want to move it back to the inbox, you can right click on it, move to inbox. Now once you go in here, it should be in here again. Right click, archive, you can find it under all mail. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching.